In this video, I'll show you how to register Vanilla Visa gift card for online use. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so if you have your physical Vanilla Visa gift card for you now and you want to activate it for online use, all you're gonna do simply log in. I'll go to vanillagift.com and log in using your credentials, right? Then at the very top most part of the home screen, you're gonna click on activate your card. Then all I'm gonna do is enter the card details to check balance, review transactions, or activate card. Say for example, this is your card number, right? Obviously it's hidden, so to avoid hack, right? Right, and enter your CVV and just click continue, right? Okay, that's how you, of course, enter your Vanilla Visa gift card. And if you're lost during the navigation process, you might want to go here at the FAQs, all right? You can always check on how to activate your gift card, all right? You can activate your physical gift card at balance, that what we have done earlier. Or if you're not comfortable, using the computer or going to the website, you might want to call the toll-free phone number on the back of your physical gift card, which is 1-833-322-6760. You will need to provide your gift card number, valid through date, and security code, all right? Located at the back of your gift card. Be reminded, guys, that Vanilla Visa e-gift cards do not need to be activated prior to first use. They are activated upon purchase and shipped to the recipient's email ready to use. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.